everyone, and welcome back to another day in Benidorm. Finally, a bit of nice weather's back. Quite a sunny sort of day. Heading down Avenida Rufaza today, guys. Haven't been down here for a while. Got the awesome charity shop here. Xbox One S. €159. Queen Motorfest for the PS4. €24.95. Not bad actually, that. Considering it's a semi-newish game. Not bad at all, that. Hogwarts Legacy. $34.95, apparently one of the best games of 2023. A gimbal, sort of smaller version of what both me, Mike and Scooter Sue use at the moment. $79.95. I've got tons of random stuff in here, guys. David Guetta record, €15. Got an Omega figure there in the back, $6.99. Very good shop. Pop down and see what I got. I have done a video looking around the shop. Pop in and say hi to the beautiful Amanda and all. Anyway, Avenida Rufaza is one of the main roads here in town. It does play host to some of the main parades as well. Quite a lot of the parades will sort of head down this road. But as you can see at the moment, normal sort of weekday, it is quite quiet down there actually. Yeah. Anyway, what else to say? Hope everyone's okay in the UK as well. I have heard reported that there are some very huge storms heading towards the UK apparently. I think the latest is Storm Aisha, I believe. Benny Bikes there, bike shop. Latest is Storm Aisha with a warning, danger to life warning being issued in many areas of the UK due to 4-scale winds, and apparently many areas at the risk of tornadoes. Got such a gift shop here, another great shop for gamers. GTA 5 Premium Edition for the PS4, €19.95. Not a bad price yet. Of course, the Premium Edition does come with exclusive online content, i.e. apartments, businesses, cars, weapons, clothing. Great purchase. I really hate January. It is quite sort of nippy of a day, and of course you get the low sun. So fingers crossed, soon be June again. Nice car, that. Little VW Beetle. Quite a cool car, that. Something you don't see every day either. And here's the annoying part, because you got the hotels, got Hotel Crystal Park there, and another hotel across the road, and you got a huge traffic jam. So I am trying to think of what to do now, because this is the part where Avenida Rufaza does tend to get a lot busier and a lot harder to walk down. I think I will keep heading down here. As you can kind of see, it is a pretty busy road. Of course, Hotel Magic Crystal there, very fancy hotel. Oh, almost forgot as well, a quick tip for anyone planning on moving to Spain. Eventually you'll need a bank account. My recommendation, do not open a bank account with Targo Bank. For obvious reasons, I've probably said a few of them a load of times before, but Targo are very useless. They tend to take money out your bank account because they think because you're English, you won't notice it and you won't say anything. And they do tend to be quite not so intelligent. What happened is when we moved to our new address, Avenida Alfonso de Puigcerdas, we went down, we knew the address with him, told him we moved, but apparently, somehow, some way, he didn't put it on the system, which I didn't know. So fast forward a few months, silly old me, I forgot my PIN number. So of course I go down to renew my PIN about December-ish. Okay, Marcus, we'll send it to your apartment. Waiting. Go down to ask what's going on. Turns out they still got the old address from when we lived on Avenida Monte Carlo. So, yeah, to say I weren't really too pleased was an understatement. Kind of cut off up here. And thankfully, hopefully, fingers crossed, we've sorted it out. Hopefully, new address is on the system. But I've got to wait another 10 days till I get my new PIN number. Anyway, guys, hit the like, hit subscribe in this little sort of corner square. Few nice little hairdressers, little bars, little cafe just there, guys. Oh yeah, that's where the old Tim Manor's gone. Now, I'm trying to remember where he used to be. Oh yeah. He used to be down Poniente, down by Old Che Park in that area down towards the harbour. Anyone remember him, guys? I faintly remember as well, I've got a picture with him when I was only a small kid. So, that was probably the very first time we actually moved to very first time we holidayed in Benidorm. Way before we thought of moving over here, way before we thought of becoming YouTubers even. Anyway, hit the like, hit subscribe, see you soon.